Hey, good morning, everybody. We are live. It is Wednesday, February 11th. We did have some news this morning, NFP, non-farm payroll, and what else did we have? U.S. earnings, year over year, and private payrolls. Plus, we also had Canadian building permits month over month, and U.S. average earnings month over month. This all happened at 8:30 a.m. East Coast time. After that, we do have Fed speaking at 7, so 10 a.m. 10:15 Fed Bowman speaks, and then 10:30 crude oil inventories, gas inventories, distillate inventories. So we have a little bit of news today. Usually those oil inventories don't create too much volatility in the market, but it's good to be aware of it. So majority of the news movement should be over now. So 5:30 we kind of or 8:30 a.m. sold off pretty hard and then ended up holding the value area low here on, this is on gold. Let's get over to the E and Q here. So not the best news for gold. NQ popped up really nicely here. So there's that 8:30 a.m. candle. Ripped all the way up through value area low, tapped the point of control, continued up to value area high, and now we also went to previous day high. So all of the levels have been, all of my levels have been hit already on the day. So that's not the best part of the thing, because it's going to give me a few less, confluences on the trades that we could potentially take here. Good morning. Good morning. So it seems like it's going to be a patient morning here. It's all about patience here. Looks like silver popped up pretty nice overnight and then had a decent pullback here when the NFP happened. Gold was a lot more volatile than even silver was. This market's opening here in about 1 minute. Gonna add a VWAP to NFP. It's an orange one. NFP VWAP. And seconds still open here. Just getting ready to place all my anchored VWAP here. Midnight open price was somewhat recently, so I'm not sure that that's going to be a trade that we can take today. All right, guys. Looking like we're having some pretty high volume in some of these trades here. 900 contracts, 550 contracts up here at 450 area. So that could be shorts covering. And then some pretty big heavy selling pressure after that. 140, 45, and 260, 57. So getting a bit of a battle here on these between these buyers and sellers at the moment. Going to be patient here. Try to let this price action shake out of the gates here. ES is above 7,000 now, guys. All-time highs up about 47,042. YM's popping up right now, heading up to a previous day high, also all-time high. And NQ sort of starting to pull back a little bit. It dipped up above previous day high and now got rejected a bit. I am pulling back here again. Getting close to the end of 30 seconds left in this 5-minute candle here. Let's open up this one here. Let's get on MYM over here. Getting quite the pullback here on NQ. ES pulling back a little bit. Dow was up above value area high, pulled back a bit. Pretty crazy movement this morning. Hey Johan, good morning. How you doing? How's the bot been working? I'm doing good, thank you. We had a pretty successful stream again yesterday. What did I hit? Hit 435 subscribers. Had some problems with the bot. Oh, sorry to hear that. I did like an evening stream yesterday, and I'm gonna do another one probably tonight. Although I did wake up with a little bit of a sore throat this morning. That kind of sucks. You can have some fisherman's friends. So I got fisherman friends, and I'm drinking a cup of hot water right now. Yesterday night, you were trying to learn Nick's indicator? Okay. Speaking of Nick, you know, I haven't seen him all week yet. Here we are, Wednesday, and I haven't seen him. I reached out to him Monday, Tuesday, and no response back from Discord. So hope everything's okay with him. I'm sure he's just tied up with family business or stuff. But yeah, it's not like him to disappear for so long and not, you know, he usually just tells me if he's busy or whatnot. So hope everything's okay. You wrote to have the name of his indicator, and he responded to you on Discord. Oh, okay. Nice. Huh. Hopefully I didn't say something wrong. When did you do that? Was that yesterday? Maybe he's got me blocked or something by accident. I don't know. NQ's pulling back here a bit more. ES holding value area high currently. Just waiting for this first 15 minutes to shake out here. Then we'll try to look for a trade. It was Monday. Interesting. Yeah, he's probably just busy with, you know, life. Life gets in the way sometimes. Looks like NQ wants to kind of like retrace the whole move on NFP. Not financial advice, but at the moment it's starting to look like that. We're below the NFP VWAP on all three indices at the moment. Currently have 6 people in the channel. Good morning to everybody who is here. Hey, Darren. No, I haven't seen Nick since Friday last week. Johan heard back from him on Monday, but yeah, I haven't heard from him. I did reach out to him, but haven't heard from him. So hopefully everything's all right. I'm sure he's just busy with life, you know. YM's trying to attempt to go higher here. Dow's been going sideways here for a minute. ES, NQ kind of rolling over. We have overnight VWAP and previous day's VWAP below on ES at 69.85. NQ is kind of trying to hold the point of control. Gold was pretty bearish there. YM's heading down to the overnight VWAP and the point of control. We're well below the New York VWAP and also the non-farm payroll candle VWAP here. Obviously, overnight VWAP is looking pretty bullish on this on its trajectory, but since then we've kind of pulled down a lot. NQ sort of leading the bounce here. YM just broke point of control. And NQ sort of rejecting off of value area high. I don't know, guys. What are you guys looking at today? I can't decide on anything. Not seeing anything that I really like here. NQ's bouncing pretty good here. I just don't trust it right now, guys. It's probably going to head back down. So NQ probably going back to the highs, but I want an entry. Just missed my limit long. Okay. NQ bounced off low day VWAP. Low day. Oh, you anchored one way down here at the bottom of the low there. All right. Pretty decent take there on ES of the New York VWAP. The bulls could be trying to get back in control here. We'll have to see where the 5-minute candle closes. So you don't have to work today there, Darren? Trump's tweeting on Truth Social right now. Why I'm sort of just stuck in this consolidation range up here after the NFB news. You'll be back in 20 minutes. All right. See you in a bit there, Darren. Sitting right on the point of control on the YM here, looking like they're trying to break it down. A little reluctant to take a short here though. Just kind of at the low of the price action so far. Could just be selling the bottom. Looking like they're going to try to take it here. They swept the low, but they're not. Maybe they're not going to take it very far. We do have a overnight VWAP or previous day VWAP down at 425. There we go. YM's ripping lower here now, guys. That's quite the little sell-off here. Just getting rid of the whole NFP news candle here. Just took a little scalp there on YM on the side chart. I was trying to copy trade my take profit trader accounts, and I actually went in with 5 minis on YM, made 270. Tried to drag up my stop quicker, but it didn't really work out there. I'm in on a little YM long here with 2 micros. Just my stops below the previous day's VWAP. Could get stopped out here still, guys. Just felt like it might be trying to find a bottom here. See if we can't catch a ride up to the midway up to this candle here. Go sell for limit right there. It'll be about 40 points, $40 winner if we get up there. Not looking for anything too crazy. And the tight's pretty, stop's pretty tight. There we go. We stopped out there. What's going on here? Why did that happen? All right, so that was a little early. So I lost $27 there. Pretty tight stop there. 23. Yeah, like $23 or so. Hey everybody, welcome to the stream. We got 8 people in YouTube and 3 in the X. Got 11 people. We did pretty good over the last couple evening streams. We're up to 435 subscribers. And what did we get? How many people did we get through the stream? We got 727 people came through the stream last night. And here we're back for the market open, and so far we've taken one small paper cut here on my Lucid funded accounts. I did take one winning trade on my take profit trader accounts. Only one account up 277 there. Went long on take my TPT account and was thinking I was connected to the copy trader, and I took 5 minis long and pretty much sold it for a quick profit. But that could have been a mistake. They could have burnt me. So make sure you double check all your copy accounts if you guys are copy trading. take a look at the book on ES. ES is looking pretty bearish here. Could have got in on some momentum right there. See if we can't get a little scalp here, just get back in on this momentum. We did pull back a little bit. See if they're going to go touch those lows again here. Okay, Johan. See you in a bit. If we get down close to this TP, I'll end up dropping my stop here. We'll at least lock in $50. There we go. All right, we locked in. Well, we ended up making 37 on that. And we would have just got the rest of the TP there, but that's all good. I just heard from Nick, guys. Yeah, he's doing good. He's just busy. He's off the charts this week, so all good. Sort of back down at the lows here. 69.82. So we did not invert this bullish fair value gap from the NFP candle here on the 5-minute chart. Basically retraced that whole NFP bounce on all three indices here. YM did make it all the way back to the lows. ES isn't quite there. NQ is actually holding a little bit higher. Well, maybe the move lower isn't done yet. Let's see here. See if we can get a little bit more of a push here on this YM short. I only got filled half of my contracts. I'm gonna take it right there. Quick, about $17. Recovered a bunch of that loss from earlier. Too bad I didn't get filled properly. Only got one of my 2 contracts came through. $50,350 here, down at the lows now. Where is this going to end, guys? Are we just going to erase NFP and then head lower? It's going to be interesting. Pretty volatile movement. I mean, anyone who got short up here is looking real good right now. Could have held that YM a little longer there. 75, 40 points, 30 points lower now. That's too bad I didn't get filled on both of my contracts. So we have 3 people in YouTube, 3 in X this morning. It's pretty quiet stream right now. Not really doing very much at the moment. Just staying flat so far. Just trying to be patient. Wait for this volatility to calm down here. We almost made equal lows there from the NFP news candle with ES, but YM is kind of pulling it down. And then we got NQs looking a little bit stronger out of the 3. Morning up 270 on the new 50K. Nice. You obviously took a short there. Hey, Keith. Good. Oh, yeah. Nice job. Nice job. I'm up 277 also in one of my Take Profit Trader accounts. Hey, good morning, Street Odds. Looking at scalp MES around 69.53 and NQ at 160. 160 lines up with my trend line from previous days there. And you said 69.53 on ES. That's right near the previous day low. I like it. You're gonna have some nice patience to get down to there. 53 is kind of like pre-market low. Has gold been going up here, guys? Let's take a look here. Gold's been bouncing a bit, hit value area high, and head back towards the previous day high. It's kind of interesting. In a pretty large bearish fair value gap. look at the 1 hour chart here. Just taking a look at YM here, we're in the middle of a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. And same with ES here. ES is still holding on the 1 hour bullish fair value gap here from the NFP candle, and also from a couple days ago, Monday's price action. But where's the bottom? Hard to tell right now. I hate trading on TradingView. Yeah, you don't like it, Jordan? Yeah, I'm not a huge fan either. I find that it kind of like lags a little bit. So for me, the best is that I just, I use it for my analysis and I watch my trades. I'll even connect my account on here, but I do my actual trades on Trade8. Just, it's a little more crisp for price action and entries and exits and whatnot. So I'm trying not to have any coffee for the first hour of the day when I wake up here. Jeez, guys. We're just erasing the whole NF handle there. Not very nice. Not very nice. Hey, Dad. Good morning. So, Jordan, what is it that you hate about TradingView? Just curious if it lines up with the same things that I don't like. Real math lover. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Keep it up. Thank you, sir. Good to see you this morning. How you doing? Taking any trades yet? I took what did I take? I took one small loser, one small winner in my 200, and put 207 I take the trade breakouts. Not loving the price action right now. If you weren't short, it's kind of hard to do that now. We might turn around here at some point soon, but where is that going to happen? Let's see. It's going to be hard to tell. Bears are looking pretty strong right now. Trying a little long here on YM. We're right at the bottom of a bullish fair value gap, 1 hour chart. See if we can't get a little bit of a bounce here. Probably cut this if it gets too far against on us. Down about $14, $15 here. Kind of could be catching a falling knife here. Yeah, we're just falling here, unfortunately. $30 down, $35 down. Okay, looking like I'm gonna have to cut this, guys. It's not holding up at all here. If we hit $60, I'm probably just gonna cut it. A little bit of support here, just added one. See if we can get out break even here as we bounce back up. Uh-oh. Okay, we got to get out of this trade here. The bears are really here, guys. Unfortunately, going to take a pretty large loss on this one unless we get a bounce here pretty quick. We got comments coming up from Feds Bowman here pretty soon too. Are we going to bounce back to my entry price? If we are, I'm going to just try to get out of this guy without taking much of a loss. Need a little bit more of a pounce here. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Don't turn around now. Don't turn around now. No. That might have been my only chance, guys. Damn. Barely had a moment there. Come on. There we go. Okay, stop break even here. Keep going, boys. Let's go. There we go. Stopped out. Anyways, got out of that one without any damage. Small winner there. That got a little scary though, as it was down there. I was down 120 or so in that one trade. So yeah, I was pretty focused on the side chart there. But took the opportunity to just get out break even and reassess here. End up making $23 on that trade in the end. Jordan said, number one, it makes trade management more complicated for me. I feel like Project X was so easy to see and manage risk. Yeah, I agree with that 100%. That's why Project X was like such a good platform for beginners, especially. You can add into your trades. You can sell your trades, and it just automatically would update your stop loss and all that with the amount of contracts and the amount of value. Yes, I totally agree with that. And when you try to add in on TradingView, you got to change the stop and everything on your own. I'm surprised they haven't implemented something a little bit better with that, considering they're such a big platform and everybody uses it. Little surprised, but we'll reassess here at what happens when we get down to previous day low on YM. Could potentially try another long scalp. Looking like increasing odds was looking at 160 here. Well, we did tap 160 there. Wondering if you got in there. Dipping back in there to the 160 area. I like it too. I got a trend line down there, just entered long 1 micro. We'll just put our stop down at the low. Let's get this over so you guys can see what's going on here. Give it a little bit more room here on the bottom side. Uh-oh. Going deeper. Stop got filled there, unfortunately. Might be a little bit early. Oh, they had to sweep these lows, guys. They had to sweep the lows. Thinking about taking one more little attempt here. But don't want to take another long here. Hey, Dad. Yeah, I did hear back from Nick. I guess the Discord channel, Discord is his messages weren't going through. He had to take the week off for a family meetup thingy. So yeah, I did hear back from him. He's all good. And look at that, guys. We got stopped out, and then now we're back up to my entry price. Little scary here though. Probably gonna have to wait for a little bit more confirmation. The entry price is pretty good down here, but confirmation if we're gonna get a reversal. Let's take a look at the 5-minute charts on all the indices. See if we can find a divergence here. Well, we took the lows on NQ and ES, so no clear divergence at the moment. ES looking pretty heavy here still. Still pulling back here, guys, on NQES. YM is finding a little bit of support at previous day low. Wondering if we're going to get a bounce here or not. Well, what's going to happen here, guys? Hey, Tim, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Is NQ going to hold this low area, or are we going to just keep pushing lower here? That's the question. We haven't really printed any green candles here for some time. ES is also looking pretty bearish. YM kind of holding previous day low. What are they going to do here? Are they going to just keep falling, or what? We're going to get a little bit of a bounce or not? So heavy, guys. So heavy on the market here. Making more and more lows here. What can we do? What can we do? Hey, Just Jamie. Good morning. What do we do here, guys? Everything's looking so bearish. Kind of risky to go short, but is it time to go long? That's also, pretty unknown at this point. Could just bounce and recover here. We're due for a bit of a green candle, at least coming soon, but is it yet? Hard to say. Looking like we're pretty heavy. Like we might just make some more head lower here. Are the buyers going to step in here? Or are we just going to get flattened a little bit more? Hey, Zar, good morning. How are you? Pretty surprising sell-off here after the bounce from NFP. You'd think the NFP bounce is a bullish sign, but it's actually just a pump before the dump. See if are we going to get any kind of recovery here, guys? Are we just going to be continuing lower and lower and lower? What's the deal here? Thinking NQ wants previous day low. Could definitely go back after a long weekend off the chart. Today's price action was pretty clean. Yeah, if you got in short pretty early, you're in a really good position right now. Getting a tiny bit of recovery here on these on the three indices. First kind of green candle that we've seen now in a while. Are they going to retrace it back up to the 150 area and then reject it? Sort of have a, you know, the end of those previous candles up there. Yeah, decent little recovery on that candle. So we have 1 minute left on this candle, on this 5-minute candle here. They're trying to bounce it a little bit here. Are they going to, how far is this little bounce going to go is the question. $30 seconds left on this candle here. First little green candle we've seen here after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8 bearish candles. Gasoline inventories right now. IB set here, 7:30, guys. Basically, almost time for me to start having some coffee. Haven't had my coffee yet this morning. Been trying to hold off since I heard that it's good to like wait about an hour at least until after you wake up to have coffee. Hazar, did you take off for a long weekend somewhere? Did you go on vacation, or were you just taking some time off the charts? Yeah, it's too bad I didn't get in a short pretty early. I even said, oh, it looks like we're probably going to retrace this whole NFP candle. We did, and then some. Why I'm here. Gold. Gold's pretty choppy here, guys. It's been choppy. Look at that. We did rip overnight and then pulled back. Big sell-off here on the 530 NFP candle. So we're below all the VWAPs right now. Gold isn't looking very great. Pretty hard to buy this though. I mean, this could be the turning point, but it might just be a little pop before we end up heading lower. So I'm not really sure what to be doing at this point, guys. Not really sure. Kind of liking the idea of taking a long here. We could try to long it up to this 9 EMA, also previous day low. Nice little recovery there. Hey, Sako, good morning. How are you doing? Did you even sleep last night, bro? Or is the time difference so much that you're still up? I had a pretty poor sleep last night. I think I had a little too much caffeine. I was too hyped up from the stream. Woke up a bunch of times. Just kind of not the best sleep. So should be conservative today here. Unfortunately, I'm down 140 in my two Lucid funded accounts. Nothing too serious, but yeah, could definitely be in a better position. I'd like to be in a better position here. Trying to be patient here, looking for some sort of proper entry. I am looking at the Dow right now, but if NQ and ES decide that this isn't the bottom and that they're just making a little dead cat bounce before they go lower, then the Dow would be could punish you pretty bad here. If we could get above the previous day low and like with some momentum and some like volume, then I could definitely think about taking a long there. Wondering if we're going to get a bit of a, if we're going to reject again here and head back lower. We got previous day low just above there. Be interesting to see if we can get into the fair value gap and then head lower, or what's the deal there. What's my opinion on instant funded accounts? They're really good if you feel like you're at the point where you can start hitting those profit targets. So if you've passed a couple evals and you're starting to feel pretty confident, it's not a bad way to go. And I think Top One Futures has a really good deal right now. You can get 60% off instant funded accounts if you were to look at those. I got a discount code MBT with them. I am a little biased. They are a good company, good customer service, quite quick payouts, everything like that. So definitely like them as a company. So I'm in the West Coast. So for me right now it is 7:42 a.m. I'm in Vancouver, Canada. So it's 7:42 a.m. for me. How about you? What time is it for you there? I do trade Top One Futures. I have 2 instant funded accounts, and then I passed one 25K eval that I won free on a giveaway. But Top One Futures has really good instant funded. Oh, you're in Cali, so basically same time as me then. So it's 7:42 for you also then? West Coast is the best coast, Jordan. I don't know nothing about market opens at 9:30. Yeah, right. It's 6:30 for us, guys. Nice and early. All right. I did take a short there on YM on that last little bounce. Let's see, where is it? Show us here? No, it doesn't show it on the chart, unfortunately. That's weird. Yeah, anyways, what 110 I got short. So I got short in here right at this the bottom of this fair value gap. It kind of like touched it, rejected. I got there. I covered what was it? 63 and 55. So I covered one couple contracts at 63 and the other one's at 55 down there. So I did recover some of my loss. I'm only down 66 now to at least the direct accounts. Just little base hits here. How many viewers, likes, and subscribers, Dad? My dad's asking how many viewers, likes, and subscribers. Currently, right now, we have 12 people in the channel watching and 2 in X. And then we did hit 435 subscribers yesterday. And today we have, let's see, live. We got 7 likes on the stream today. So thank you basically to all the usual suspects. Lafta, you timed the NFP perfectly and sold the top. Stop me. Nice. Good job. Good job, Lafta. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Okay, guys. NQ is kind of holding that trend line area. Oh, I missed that. My day is won by 9:30 a.m. for me. When will I start doing duck races? As soon as I get some accounts that I can give away. I think it's sort of, they directly tie it to your affiliate sales. So I have a little bit of affiliate sales over time here, but I should definitely, you know what, I'm going to reach out to their support. Let's see if I can't, I don't know if there's a way that I can reach out to them. But I am doing on Sundays. I'm letting people do a duck race to pick a trade, to take a trade on one of my accounts. So you're here on Sunday night and you want to like try to win me some money. Yeah, I've been last Sunday I did a duck race to allow people to sort of come up with an idea to take a trade in one of my evaluation accounts. So I tried to message AJ on Lucid, but I don't have his direct contact, so maybe I won't be able to get through in that route. You need 25,150 to break on NQ. Oh, you're looking for it to go back down? This might be we might bounce up to the VWAPs here and get a rejection and head back lower, if that's kind of what you're looking for. Oh, you're long at 150. Nice. Beautiful. Hi, Ralph. Pretty big rip there on NQ and ES, guys. ES is also printing a nice bullish candle within some increased volume here. YM is not looking that happy compared to the others. Kind of lagging behind a bit. Could be a good place to take a partial if you pulled out break even. Okay, gotcha. Pretty strong close there on that. Uh-oh. Looks like I may have got in at the wrong time here. It was starting to look like it was going to pop up to the top side here. Just one micro long here. They're down 18 bucks already. See if we can't get a little bit of a lift here before we get a deeper pullback. Try to be aggressive on my stop here. Get into profit a bit. After that move, it's hard to see. Like, we might just pull back a little bit here, but I just felt like we're going to be making another new high here. They're trying to go. They're trying to go. Come on, boys. Let's go. Come on. Pop it up. Take those VWAPs. There we go. Don't just stall. Don't stall out now. Don't stall out. Come on, boys. Uh-oh. Not liking it now. Tried to take a new high there, and we just kind of got rejected a bit. Damn, Gina. Looking like we're gonna get stopped here, guys. Pretty strong pullback here. Let's see if the buyers can step us back in here. Damn it. Just can't seem to get into the right position here this morning. 50 points on NQ. Took the long at 187 after the recovery. Nice job there. I shouldn't really be trading here. Of course, we're going to get stopped out to the tick. And then it's bouncing. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not really reading NQ very good right now, obviously. Plus 50 points. Hey, nice job there on NQ increase the odds. You're nice and patient waiting for that recovery on that 160 area, hey? You were talking about earlier. Thanks, man. Yeah, I was waiting for that area. Of course, I entered long on immediately. It would have been stopped, but my system is all about distance it travels. Okay, nice. Makes sense. Phone call? All right. Come on, YM. Take that previous day low and make a move higher here. I got 2 contracts here. Stop already in the money slightly. Can't really pull back anymore though, guys. Gonna stop me out. Yeah, look like we're gonna get stopped out here. That's too bad. Stopped out, made $5 in profit there. For some reason, it's not leaving the little arrows here. Normally, it leaves the little arrows on the chart when you take those trades to get stopped out or whatnot. Ooh, some pretty big price action here on silver and gold. Hey guys, it's 8:05 a.m. here. Might end up wrapping up the stream at 8:30 here, so we'll be around for another 25 minutes or so. Not really sure what to be doing here. Price obviously sold off really hard. We did get a nice little bounce, and then now we're kind of rolling over again. Previous day low seems to be a pretty key level right now. ES and NQ charts looking almost identical here. Like, look at that, guys. It like almost looks exactly the same here. We got the same doji candle. We're flirting with previous day low on this pullback. Couple wicks. You know, the only thing is this one went red on the ES, and NQ kind of left it green. Oh. When I run the streams at night, guys, it makes me pretty tired on the daytime stream. Sorry if I'm not talking quite as much as I normally would. Didn't sleep the best last night. Maybe a little bit too much late night coffee. So ES has orders up at 60, 62, 67, and 70, and not really much below it. It looks like they kind of want to bounce it here, guys. NQ and ES both flirting with the previous day low here. YM is below the previous day low. All right, guys, I got in that long there on. Oh shoot, I was on the wrong chart. What the heck? Sorry, let's get back over here. I got in long here on this hold of the previous day low. I got one contract I added, so I got in at 194, and then I added at 201. I ended up closing it in this fair value gap here, right at the all-time high VWAP. So quick little scalp there, locked in 120-ish. I think I was down about 120 there. So back to break even here on this account now. 10 cents down on this one. Funded account up to 90. So ES already took previous day low. Yes, sir, it did. I basically took that trade, but on NQ. We broke the previous day low. Like NQ and ES are looking very, very much the same right now. YM's finally getting a bounce here too, guys. Check that out. Decent volume there. Nice little bounce there on NQ now. ES also. YM also ripping up higher here. If we can't get a little bit of a jump in on this momentum here on the YM, might pull back and stop me out here again. Let's go, boys. Almost got stopped there. Twice. Gonna pop now. Let's go, buyers. All right, stopped out again, unfortunately. So, guys, I don't think I'm going to trade anymore. I don't seem to be having the best decision-making processes this morning. Down $33 now in that account, which is nothing to really be worried about. But before I do any more damage here, before I do some real damage here, might end up wrapping it up here. We got 15 minutes left, so we'll hang out for a bit longer here. See if we can find one more potential trade. But yeah, so far, she's not being that friendly to us right now. Let's get this on the funded account here. Holy boner candles. Right? Missed that comment, but it's a good one. Can they pump it here? Yes, they can. Okay, last here, guys. Stop at the bottom of this candle. See if we can't get in on this momentum a little bit more. Seems like it's stalling out already, though, at this the 21 EMA there. We can If we can get up to the 200 area, I'll be definitely looking to stop us out in profit. Just need a little pop through this 21 EMA. Might not get it though. Let's go, boys. Come on, don't pull back on me here. Thinking about moving my stop up here a bit to a smaller amount. Really need to break this 21 EMA. $30 seconds on this candle here, guys. Thinking about going break even on this pretty soon here. See what kind of a end we got here. Getting up towards that 200 level. Finding a little bit of resistance there. Damn, Gina. Let's go, boys. Come on. Hold it up there. There we go. Rip it up through 200. Taking the 200 here. Come on. Let's go. I'll be putting my stop right below 200 here. Here we go. We're out. So we got another about 15 or 20 bucks back there. What was that? 10 bucks back. Anyways, so we're down only $14. These accounts now. Just been a battle, just kind of getting these getting a little bit of money back. So got a buffalo chicken sandwich and some coffee. Nice. Is that you get that from your apartment place where you're talking about that? Was that you that saying you got the coffee machine? Next area I'm looking at would be short around 352. 352.50. 25 352.50. Nice. Yeah, we got a bearish fair value gap up there. Oh no, just the coffee. I made the sandwich. Nice. Spicy chicken sandwich, eh? That's very good. Hey, increase the odds. I don't remember. Where did you say you were from? Like, where do you live right now? Sorry, I was looking back at the chat. I wasn't sure if you responded to that earlier. We were talking about where everybody lives. Or did you say Cali earlier? Yeah, I did see what happened, Tumbler Ridge. That's horrible to hear. So sad. Not a good feeling to wake up and hear that. I've been all over. Sorry, no, I was away for a bit. Originally SoCal, now in the South. Now you're in the South, Alabama. Yeah, I agree 100%, Johan. It's really sad that kind of stuff happens. I can't believe people, lose their mind so bad that they do those kinds of crazy things. Nice little rip there, guys, on the YM. Yeah, it's so messed up. It's a crazy world we live in these days, like you guys. Be safe out there. And I'll definitely be having some prayer type thoughts tonight for those people, those families, and everybody that are dealing with that crazy situation. Victor Sanchez, hey, second time watching this. It's my mid 50s trying to learn this. Hey, welcome. You're not that far ahead of me. I'm 46, so you can learn from another old guy. I'm hanging with a bunch of dinosaurs. How old are you? Increase the odds. 35. Okay. We're not that old then compared to you. 35 to 45 goes pretty quick. So be careful. He's 67. Whoa. He's the man. Showing that you can do it at any age there. Nice, guys. Nice. Well, I did short Dow there, guys, and I'm back to $32 in profit. So no more trades today. But we're gonna wrap up the stream here in about 3 minutes, anyways. So, and you feel every year, hey Keith? Right? Every year it does feel harder, doesn't it? I totally agree with you, Keith. I feel it every year. I thought 45 was bad, and then I get 46, and I'm like, sheesh. Trading is the only competitive sport you can play at any age. That's totally true also. Yeah, and there's my dad. He's trying to learn at age 71, but he says a memory of a snail. It's not easy, that's for sure. There's a lot to learn, so it's, you know, don't think it's going to happen overnight. That's for sure. It takes people years to get that full grasp of the market and everything. Damn, I should have held that YM longer here. Made a decent profit on it, up $32. So I made about, what did I make? Made about $50 in that trade. So yeah, better late than never, because you know you can learn, and you can potentially make it into a little stream of income, right? So wish me a nice day. I wish you a nice day, Johan. Also, very much so. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. It was fun hanging out with you guys as usual. Make sure, if you guys need to pick up any accounts, Lucid and Top One Futures have some good deals right now, and you can use my discount code MBT if you're looking for it. Obviously, if you're no pressure though, I appreciate you guys just being here in the stream. Regardless, thank you for all the likes today. We hit a pretty decent milestone of 435 subscribers yesterday. Just be aware, guys, I am trying to go live tonight at 7 p.m. my time, which will be 10 p.m. on the East Coast. So I'll probably be live around 10 p.m. tonight for another maybe a 2 to 2.5 hour session. See if we can find some more trades. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody, for tuning in. Have a great day. Happy Wednesday. And hey, you're welcome, Keith. Thank you for being here. All right, maybe I'll see you then in that nighttime stream there. Increase the odds. And see you later, Johan Lafta, my dad, Keith. Victor Sanchez was here earlier. Who else did we have? We had Jordan, Sako. Thanks, guys. Czar was in here. Just Jamie made it back in. He was in their stream last night. Real math lover. Darren does things. I may have said that already. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Have a good day, and we'll catch you later. Peace out. Have a good one.